Hello everyone, welcome to today's class. So for today we'll be looking at division of numbers by two digit number. So let's look at the example 830844 divided by 12. Now for when you are dividing by two-digit number, for a start I recommend long division. Long division is easy. So as you keep on building, then you can look at short division. But for a start, long division is easy to use. Okay, let's see what we have. 83084 divided by 12. Now we start 8 into 2, 12 into 8. 12 into 8. 12 is bigger than 8, and that will give us 0. 12 times 0, that would be 0. Subtract. This would be 8. Bring down 3. 12 into 83. So we have our times table here. 12 into 83. We can't use 84. 84 is bigger than 83. So we go for 72. We go with 72. That would be 6. 12 times 6. That will give us 72. Subtract. What do we have? 3 minus 2. 1. 8 minus 7, 1. Remember, after subtraction, you must bring down the next digit. That will give us 0. So 110. 12 into 110. What is before that is 108. So 9 times 9 times 9, that would be 108. Subtract. This borrow from here 0. 10 minus 8 will give us 2 here, and that will give us 28. 12 into 28. So that's what before. 24 is before, so that would be 2 times 12 times 2. That would be 24. Subtract. What do we have? 4, and then this will give us 4. 12 into 44. 44. What do we have? 36 is before 44, so that will make it 3 times. 12 times 3, that will give us 36. Subtract. We subtract this borrow from here 3. This will be 14 minus 6, that will be 8. And then we bring down our 4. 12 into 84. We have that here, that will give us 7. That will give us 7. So 12 times 7, that will be 84. So our answer, these are our answers. So the final answer will give us 69237. Okay, we move to the next question. 237650 divided by 25. What do we have here? 237650 divided by 25. Okay, we have our 25 times table here. So 25 into 2. 25 is bigger than 2. So that will give us 0. 25 times 0 will give us 0. Subtract, this will be 2. Bring down 3. 25 into 23. 25 is still bigger than 23. And that will still give us 0. 25 times 0 is 0. Subtract, what do we have? This will be 23. And then we bring down 7. 25 into 237. 237, what is smaller than is 225? So we go with how many times? That would be 9. 25 into 9 or 25 times 9 will give us 225. If we subtract, this will be 2 here and this will be 1, 12. So we bring down 6, 6, 25 into 126, 126, 125 is before, so that will be 5 times. 25 times 5, that will be 125. Subtract, what do we have? This will be 1, this is 0, 0, and then we'll bring down 5, bring down 5. What do we have? We have 15. 25 into 15, 25 is bigger than 15, so that will give us 0. 25 times 0 is 0. Subtract, what do we have? This is 15, and then we bring down 0. 25 into 150, that will give us 6. So 25 times 6 will give us 25 times 6, that will give us 150, 150. And if we subtract, it will give us 0, 0. So our answer here will be 9506. So that's all for division by two-digit number. So you take the activities, please carefully write down the times table of the divisors and then use it to carefully divide the questions. Thank you for watching the video. I believe it was very helpful. Please do well to like, to subscribe, and to share to others. See you in our next class.